Today we'll enhance atmosphere by adding light scattering, rays, haze, and glow. Identify the main light direction in your photo. Create a soft radial gradient where the light source sits. Lower opacity so it feels natural. Then paint gentle beams using long, narrow brushes followed by motion blur. Add slight warmth to your highlights to give realistic sunlight effects. Soft haze in distant areas increases mood and depth. This technique is excellent for forest shots, street photography, or emotional scenes.
Let's enrich your atmosphere with beautiful lighting.